Nice hair. You lift, bro? Yeah. But that's my seat. I have to get up. I'm gonna help you. Nothing personal. My legs are just longer. Want this? At least I can do it. You sure some Chinese food? I think I broke it. Up. Okay. You good? Yeah, make that 2 orders. Hey guys, welcome back to the After Hours. I'm the 8-Tailed Beast, and today we're gonna talk about AI stocks in the market. This week we saw CXAI. Now, CXAI, it is the hype. It is the new lead in the AI stock rally. We've seen this rally in AI stocks go for months now. So we've seen the increasing interest when it comes to these AI stocks. The last promotion that we were talking about involved a lot of the big name leaders talking about AI stocks. Now, one of them backtracked on his statement. Now I'm talking about Elon Musk. As of Friday, Elon Musk started an AI project for himself. So after we saw the viral success of the AI software, ChatGPT, everyone changed their mind, including Elon Musk, who is a primary investor in ChatGPT. He had to backtrack and eat his words when it came to developments of AI. Now, previously, he said that the development of AI is unpredictable. It needs some type of regulation. Well, after seeing the viral success of these AI stocks, he changed his mind. As of Friday, he created his own AI project. Now, when it comes to these AI stocks, there are several things out there related to AI. The important takeaway is there is hype inside of the market, and we don't know how long this hype is going to last. It has lasted for at least 2 months, and instead of getting better, it's actually gotten worse. Now, what I mean by that is you've seen stocks like GFAI go up thousands of percent. Instead of just ending it there, you had stuff like CXAI that went up 4,000%. And the movement to squeeze short sellers that you only saw back in meme stocks and low floaters back in 2021, that has returned. Now, we've seen things go up 500, 700, 800% in names like CMPS, PTPI, and SAI. Some of them even went into resistance and was later offered, like ADAI or MRAI. The opportunity in this AI stock space has increased. We've seen a little bit of everything, but they're all in the same interest, and that is to squeeze the short sellers. Now, this rally is going to continue. If anything, it just woke up the retail space and alerted the funds that it's okay to create more short traps, to pump and promote more attention to the AI stocks. Now, in the future, we know people are going to have a lot of interest in these AI stocks. We know low floaters are going to run farther than they should. We've been seeing this all week, and for the past few weeks, things go from lower single digits to middle and double digits. This hype brings in a lot of momentum into the entire penny stock space. You have things like ADAI. It runs on these individual resistances. Some companies, they do their offering where they lock in those gains that come from the momentum. Other companies, they let the momentum ride, and then they do their offerings in the after hours. There's very few companies that like to bet that the momentum is going to continue into the next week, so they let their stock ride. Now, this is all just to become the next GFAI or CXAI, where you go up 1,000+%. We also saw some gains from healthcare stocks like PTPI or Lucy. These stocks are still taking multiple days to go up hundreds of percent and providing opportunities for resistance plays and gap up short opportunities. Now, at the end of the day, as long as you're prepared, things are going to work out. The best thing you can do is create a plan and trade it accordingly. When you do that, keep in mind that stocks don't go straight up, they don't go straight down. So back in 2021, a lot of new traders came into the market. Everyone believed they could trade. And it was really easy to think you could, because all you had to do was buy a stock and wait. Some would wait a few days, some would wait a few minutes. Either way, it always ended at the top. We're starting to see that kind of price action now, and it's all because of the rallies that's happening in the market. Now, there's been several reasons to have a rally. It's more of a melt up before an inevitable recession. But instead of talking about disinflation or inflation, we're gonna just focus on the penny stocks that usually don't have a strong connection to the overall market. So what we're seeing right now is a transition. Now, this transition has taken months. We have seen a transition from metaverse related stocks to AI stocks. Now, in between, we've taken several detours. Gaming stocks, biotechs, some other fourth thing or third thing. Sorry, I can't count. Each one of these smaller themes, they last about 2, maybe 3 weeks max. The ones underneath that will be the secular trends like biotech. That's been going on for about half a year now. On top of that, you've seen what was fed to the media. And somewhere in between those two, there is the 2-month, maybe 3-month theme. That's where you get stuff like oil stocks and war related stocks, but we're not gonna get into that. When we're talking about the hedge funds, they are there to take money from the 90%. And when we have all the retail entering the market, we need to be able to spot where the 90% is. The 90% when it comes to these AI stocks is the people with rational sense. These stocks are not sustainable because fundamentally it's all built on a lie. A lot of short sellers are going to short these stocks. And when they do, they become the 90%. And the people that target them is the buyers that just expect the short sellers to be squeezed. Now, during this time, like 2021, shorts were getting destroyed left and right. I had to create a new identity. I called it Mr. D. Now, Mr. D, he went rogue. He started buying stocks and he liked it, but Mr. D had to go. Maybe we may have to phone a friend to get us past this next rally. Now, this rally may be the start of something new. We may be going to all-time highs again in the market. Now, this is not sustainable. There's going to be a really big correction, but at this point, we've been fighting the disinflation and the inflation and all evidence that says we should be in a recession. So at the end of the day, we probably might not go back to all-time highs, but we're at least going to have some resistance. All we can do is just prepare and try to understand it. The way I understand it right now is everything's a part of some big joke. I'm assuming it's a dick joke, mostly because that's what they've been saying on Twitter. But either way, do your own research. That's all I got. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.